Okay, so we've been getting a lot of customer feedback about the FreshWater monitoring system and how your pH could read completely fine on a test strip. As we can see here, our pH is good, but according to our monitoring system, our pH requires attention because it's way too high. Now this is actually an issue that a lot of people have been having, and so Watkins sent out an email to us teaching us how to recalibrate these so they can actually read the correct pH level. Something important to note is that your pH needs to remain consistent within that 7.2 to 7.8 range for about 3 to 5 days before you can do this. Also, don't do this if your chlorine is reading 0. You do want a chlorine residual before you recalibrate your monitoring system. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go into our monitoring system and we're going to go into pH. All right, we can see it's way high right now. According to my test strip, it's actually a tiny bit low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the top left soft button for about 6 seconds. And then let go. And it'll let you enter a pH value here. Now this is set to 7.0. I'm going to set it to 6.8 and just lower that value a little bit. And that'll actually bring the bar down as well. So if your pH is saying that, hey, pH is way too high, you can actually lower this number so it reads a lower number to help it match your actual pH level. When you dip your test strip, you want to try and come up with as close to a number as you can from this color. And then you want to set your pH level to the number that you got according to your test strip. Now this tub is actually a little bit low. I would say it's around 6.8 to 7. So yes, 6.8 should work. We hit OK and the bar moves down. If you have any other questions on how to recalibrate your FreshWater monitoring system, you can go ahead and give us a call at our service center at 701-532-0784.